Assalam-O-Alaikum everyone. Today you are again with Urooj Ansari at UA Knowledge Hub. So today we are going to make this beautiful Nikkah pen for any occasion. For this pen I really made it for my friend's sister or on her wedding occasion. So the making of this pen is so easy that even the grade 4 or 5 student can even make this at home with so easily in simple steps. So without wasting any more time, let's see how to make this beautiful Nikkah pen within 5 minutes in simple and easy steps. So things you will need: a glue gun, a scissor, pearls, a flower, and a pen, and a nuggery, and some beads and some glass stones, and a lace or a steep pen, or you can use a ribbon, and a more punk, and a simple pen. After completing, you are good to go to do what I am doing right now in the video. So keep watching and following my steps. Roll over the pen again and again. Roll and round. Roll and round. Then you need a good care of the tip, as this is the main part from where we can sign with this pen. Take good care of it. And finishing is the most important in arts and craft, as you know all. If you are a good crafter or you are a beginner, I'm saying your finishing is the most important in anything you make. I previously made a hole with a hot pin at the back of the pen. You can simply hot any pin and insert in the back tip, and the hole is done. Now we are attaching what we can say a nug लड़ी, एक जो नग की लड़ी मिलती है बाज़ार में. अगर आपके करीब अगर पाकिस्तान वगैरह में है तो आपको आसानी से लेस स्टोर से, किसी भी अच्छे स्टोर से मिल जाएगी. आप इसकी जगह कोई और चीज़ अपनी पसंद की भी लगा सकते हैं. It's not important to do all the things what I'm doing in the video. You can make it of your own choice. Put this glue gun place to place, मतलब हर जगह नहीं लगानी, कहीं कहीं पे आप लगा सकते हैं. एंड सारी जगह नहीं लगाएं, मैं यही रिकमेंड करूँगी. सही सब जगह लगा लेंगे कोई इशू नहीं है, पर कहीं कहीं लगाएंगे तो आपको बेटर रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे. It will give you the best results. And yeah, we are done here. Our pen is almost ready. Then we have to add some pearls here to make it look more beautiful. Yeah, we are done here. I have two between the nuggery. And we have to decorate the more punk now. I'll add some mini pearls here, mini nugs you can say. And yeah, we are done here. So whatever the height of your pen you want, you can cut the more punk of your size and put it in the hole we made earlier. It's so simple and easy. There is no rocket science in that. Okay, put some glue gun here that it will मतलब उसको support मिल जाएगी, it will give it support. And then attach a flower that we make earlier. You can add a pearl in the middle of the flower to make it look more beautiful. And yeah, we are done. Almost done. Yeah, and clean the pen just like glue gun. After that clean your pen. मतलब जो glue gun के रेशे वगैरह निकलते हैं, मोर पंख जो हम काटे थे वो भी कभी sometimes, as I'm doing in the video. And then you can start writing with your pen, or you can use it in the way you want. I'm showing you how to write with this. It's so simple, easy, and so smoothly written. Perfectly made. Subscribe my channel, share my channel, UA Knowledge Hub. Thank you so very much. Jazakallah for watching. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Inshallah, keep remembering your prayers. Allah Hafiz.